platinum vibes, right on the beat. Nasi Muneni. I know a lot of people, they're asking, where is Jodakadz? I want Jodakadz. I'm going to go holiday. But right now, I am in Magunje and my name is Chester K. Right here on Platinum FM. Nasi program, Chinakumira Zakanaka. So, Satliba Kuita Nas as usual, right on the beat, Platinum vibes. Tinakumba wapa komana ma rhythm vambo taka challenge and it nasi tine three vanhu vari kuchallenge apa rhythm. Zvasiyana tinomborwa matutu and it nasi tine 3 pamagunje pakaopa ndofunga muri ngozvionera kuti magunje ine power. Saka right ndotanga nani wakomana. Jana dotanga. Ndimbuda kutanga here mudara. Right, isai my headphones ai. Timbonzwa kuti zvakamira sei. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to blow my mind?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Viewers, are you ready for that one? Tidama comments yenyu anditika. Mungotiudza kuti anzani?
Rocket fire.
Rocket fire. Very say anditi. Right, we are now going.
Wa wa wa. Wa wa wa. Wa wa wa. Rabi. Okay. Ari yatendele wa jwa bita kumangwe tari konko fana agensima. Against you. Yeah. Wa wa wa. Wow, ndataura saka wow ya mtimongoma. Wow ya mtimongoma. Unopera seiko mtimongoma. Pika idoro mtimongoma. Piningira ngoma mtimongoma. Ungapera neiko mtimongoma. Marasta muriko mtimongoma. Wow ya iwo mtimongoma. Tiro 7 days nakamwa kasangu nakakorewa. Otengoma kafute ninataura. Otandinga bise kungempaura. Na iwo mutsimo ndinopengere. Isomondero takakorewa. Isowarawa takakorewa. Ndazvitaura mufunge ndataura. Chiko oyo saka wauya mtimongoma. Wauya mtimongoma. Unopera seiko mtimongoma. Ndikaidoro mtimongoma. Chakaipa mani nofunga murungozinzira hanzi wauya mudzimu wengoma. Magunje, magunje yakaoma. Yes, right, saka tombo pavamwe ka. Right, mati ndiani zviya?
Kili.
Yeah, man. Kili, are you ready to kill the rhythm?
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
All right. Timbonzwa Kili.
Woyo.
Hey. Mama kuzoona ndakufonerai ndine nyaya ndoda kukudzai asi andifunge pamoyo ichakufatsai amaikan Mr. Kili ndarombe mama ndarombe gaya ndakushamira kubhema nekurova guka sopa sezibageto yakandibuka ndarombe mama ndarombe gaya ndakushamira kubhema nekurova guka sopa sezibageto yakandibuka. Pull in my tune. Sorry.
Yes, sire.
Sorry.
Kili in action. This is happening live in Magunje, Urungwe, Mashonaland West. That's the talent that we have, right? So, panapa dinani manje?
Pana participants. Master Gangster Rasta.
Ndofunga murungo zvinzwira. Saka rege timbovapa rhythm tinze kuti zvakamira sei pamagunje panapa. Are you ready?
I'm ready for attack. Pull it, my selector. A participant, Master Gangster Rasta. Watch out, make impression about your action, imagination. Try to get direction, no estimation. When you need to get direction, attack. Your perspective, passive. Sometimes you do me passive, but you're not passive. But your perspective, you do me passive. Your perspective, passive. Sometimes you do me passive, but you're not passive. But your perspective, you do me passive. Your perspective, passive. Sometimes you do me passive, but you're not passive. But your perspective, you do me passive. Your perspective, passive. Sometimes you do me passive, but you're not passive. But your perspective, me tell you sequence is better to consequence. Self-confidence, your better defense. You are not useless, you're value. Saka wandi bari timu ndongori pataku ritatena. Sienda risushina mageta hivi. Anoterera.
Yes, I hands to no peds my sports pa Magunje. So Magunje is challenging you right now. Magunje is saying, Hanzi Chinoi, amuna diri, Karoi, amuna diri, Banget, amuna diri, Mash West, yes, amuna diri. to an extent yekusvika watoti hanzi ko Harare hanzi hamuna dhiri hanzi Fantan, watch out kumbare koko. These guys, they are saying we are coming there, Fantan. So this is Platinum Vibes, right on the beat. These guys, thank you so much. So my viewers for TikTok, right? YouTube yedu Platinum FM Digital moenda ikoko mshona ma videos edu aniti mungweto like, share, mungweto follow nayi nekuti zvinenge zvichinakidza kusvika tasvika kuma finals pano zvezvo paine vira riripo. My name is Chester K and I am signing out in Magunje right now. See you next time. Thank you so much.